Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to figure out how to deserialize a singleton in Kotlin? It can be quite a puzzle, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into singleton serialization in Kotlin and how to tackle this tricky issue. I totally get it. Trying to restore property values of a singleton without manual assignments or reflection can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it possible in Kotlin to deserialize a declared object without manually assigning the properties or using reflection? They provided a code snippet that highlights their dilemma. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? In Kotlin, singletons are unique instances, and deserializing them can be tricky. The challenge lies in restoring the state of the singleton without directly assigning properties or resorting to reflection. Let's break this down. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage your singletons more effectively in Kotlin. To address the user's question about deserializing a singleton in Kotlin, we will first clarify the concept of serialization and deserialization. Serialization is the process of converting an object into a byte stream, while deserialization is the reverse process. Next, the user can implement a custom deserialization method within the singleton object. This method will allow the user to restore the properties of the singleton without manual assignment or reflection. In this custom method, the user can utilize a companion object or a private method to handle the deserialization process. This way, the properties can be set directly without needing to reference the singleton instance. Finally, the user can call this custom deserialization method within the restore function. This will allow the singleton to recover its state seamlessly. Fun fact: did you know that the concept of singletons was first introduced in the 1970s? It's amazing how these design patterns have stood the test of time. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that you cannot reassign a singleton's global reference to a new instance. Instead, they suggest writing out the properties during serialization and directly mutating the original object's state during deserialization. This will require custom code for property assignment, either through direct assignment or reflection. They also recommend creating your own singleton mechanism that allows you to swap out instances when deserializing. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution for singleton serialization in Kotlin involves using the Jackson library. This user suggests creating a helper class that can convert an object to a map and vice versa, allowing for easy serialization and deserialization. The user demonstrates this with a simple example. They save an object to a JSON file and then load it back, successfully restoring its properties without manual assignment. Here's the tip I promised. Always encapsulate your singleton logic within a companion object or a dedicated method. This practice not only simplifies your code, but also enhances maintainability. And there you have it. You now have a better understanding of how to handle singleton serialization in Kotlin. Remember, encapsulating your logic is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Kotlin best practices.